Hi everyone. If you are listening to this on the Sabbath, then I would like to wish you a peaceful and prayer-filled Sabbath. True to the Word is continuing with our science thread for our program reviews. It truly is a joy to watch them, to learn about God's creation and worship Him for His works and character. So please join me as I review Creation Astronomy, Volume 3 by Spike Psarris. If you have seen the 12-part series The Heavens Declare, then you will recognize Spike as he is one of the guest speakers in that series. In the Creation Astronomy series, Spike Psarris looks at the same topic from a different angle. Instead of presenting what secular scientists want us to believe, Spike presents what they are not telling us and why. This third episode is called What You Aren't Being Taught About Astronomy, Volume 3, Our Created Universe. Spike has a wonderful introduction centered around the question, why are we here? This leads to an introduction of how good the Big Bang model actually is. I like how Spike points out that even some Christians have been fooled into thinking God used the Big Bang to create everything. We get a recap on how the Big Bang model fits with what is observed in the universe and how it can't account for star formation. I really like how Spike recaps within each episode because there is a lot of information. Even so, his presentation is clear, concise, and engaging throughout the entire episode. He is matter-of-fact, yet informal, and even has some humor now and again. Just excellent presentation skills. I like how he doesn't try to capture the attention of his audience, but what he says and how it is presented captures your attention the entire time. Spike asks, is the Big Bang good science? He includes words like natural and supernatural, which are key in his presentation. We get a very good overview of how the distance of galaxies are measured. Spike talks about red-shifted light, light elements, and radiation. He goes on to explain how these measurements are related to the Big Bang theory. I really like how Spike explains the initial Big Bang theory of nothing exploding and creating everything. He then goes into great detail about why this doesn't make any sense. Of course, the average person already knows that you can't create something from nothing. However, since secular scientists use this as an explanation for the Big Bang, Spike explains the science and logic behind the theory. He also looks at the progression in the secular scientist community of substituting nothing with something and the pitfalls of their newest explanation. It's tempting to laugh at the supposed logic of secular scientists, or I guess some of them, not all of them, believe in what Spike is presenting, as he points out. But as I was saying, it's tempting to laugh because it's so ridiculous, the theories that they come up with. But of course, it's no laughing matter when I think about how many people have been misguided into believing a lie and will spend an eternity separated from their Creator. I also think about what Jesus did on the cross for all humanity. Mocking the Lord or completely dismissing Him and His works is no joke. And if I remember correctly, Spike makes a comment about the ridiculous statements of secular science being no joke, even though it appeared very silly. Spike goes on to deliver more engaging evidence of how the Big Bang violates the fundamental laws of physics. He also talks in depth about predictions made by Big Bang scientists that have failed and how secular science creates things and events that have never been observed, proven, or found in order to make the Big Bang model seem true. Make sure you watch the section about the multiverse theory, as in infinite parallel universes according to secular science, another theory that cannot be proved, disproved, or even investigated. There is a fascinating section on how precise the Big Bang would have to have been in order for the universe to exist, let alone be as fine-tuned as it is. This is a must-see. It's simply unbelievable how secular scientists can look right at the obvious, yet deny the obvious. Spike concludes the episode with 5 reasons why the Big Bang Theory is anti-science. This is an excellent section, and although the theories by secular science have probably really tested your patience by this point, as they are really beyond silly, it's good to hang in there to be aware of this very misguided information. Spike rounds off with a section about atheism, again very well presented. He gives a beautiful reminder of creation and the plan of salvation. All the volumes are very well done, but I think volume 3 is my favorite one so far. I'd say so far because there are more videos to come. Praise the Lord. It is a sheer delight to watch programs by God-fearing people who are practicing real science, observing the works of God and looking to Him to reveal His works. I am reminded of Exodus 15:11, which says, "Who is like unto thee, O Lord, among the gods? Who is like thee, glorious in holiness, fearful in praises, doing wonders?" I watched What You Aren't Being Told About Astronomy, Volume 3, Our Created Universe, via www.awesomescitv.com, but you can also find it on Spike Psarris' website, and that is www.creationastronomy.com. Thank you for listening to this review. Until next time, peace be with you.